Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. A lot of you did ask me, and I know that there's a joke about this when an influencer says that a lot of you asked me. Actually, nobody's asking. But in all honesty, a lot of you did ask me about my daytime skincare routine and nighttime skincare routine. This particular video is about my nighttime skincare routine, which is approved by my dermat. Absolutely not sponsored. There's a little disclaimer which I want to give you before I begin this video. It's a very simple routine, by the way, like there's nothing too complicated in it, but there is a disclaimer. I'm going to show you one or two products which were given to me by my dermat, prescribed to me by my dermat, and I would really not recommend that you get them on your own because my skin has a journey of its own. I started consulting my dermat back in 2015, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 2015 was the first time I actually went to him, and I give him a lot of credit for how my skin is right now because the products that he's given have worked for me tremendously well. But what I'm currently using was not something which I was using last year. So over the years, the products have changed their intensity, or the actives which I use, the intensity of those actives has changed, and he's given me products of different strengths as well, considering how my skin is at that point of time and how much my skin can take it. So please don't blind buy the products, the ones which were prescribed to me by my dermat. Please consult a dermatologist if you want to consider purchasing them, and first find out if your skin can take them, because I don't mean to scare you, but if you apply these products on your own without consulting anyone, it could lead to a very bad reaction on your skin, and it's not going to be pretty. So please don't do that. Alright, let's begin. First, I'm going to just tie up my hair. My routine actually consists of just 4 products. Yeah, like they're not too many products. I went to my dermat just last month for a routine checkup, and I asked him if he could recommend me a toner, and he straight up told me that toners are just for fun. They don't make an actual difference on your skin. And I'm somebody who actually used to like applying toner. Because my skin is dry, I used to really like applying a hydrating toner before applying my products, other products. After my visit to him last month, I actually have stopped applying toner for some time because I want to stick to this routine and just try it out and see how it goes. The first step in my routine is using a face wash to cleanse my face. I have already done that. I don't use any special face wash for the night. There's just one face wash which I'm using right now, which is from Forest Essentials, their Kashmiri Saffron face wash, and I use it in the morning also, and I use it in the night also. So after I wash my face, I have to ensure that my face is completely dry, and then the first thing which I apply is this product, Sesderma Reti-Age Anti-Aging Cream. This is a retinol cream, guys, and it has hyaluronic acid in it. The first time I used this cream, I ended up applying a lot of it on my face, and the next day my eyes were really dry and sensitive for some reason. And then I called up my dermat, and I kind of asked them that after applying this cream, my eyes are feeling very dry and sensitive, they're watering, what is happening? They told me that this can be a negative reaction of applying too much of this cream. So a very thin layer is all that you need to apply. After that reaction happened, I actually stopped applying this cream for a week. I was only using a moisturizer in the night, and then I restarted, but I was mindful of how much I'm applying. Okay, this clip is not working out for me. 1 second, I need to adjust it again once. Yeah, this is better. All the skincare that I use, I apply it on my neck as well. The next step in my skincare routine is an eye cream, and this is the eye cream which I use. It's from Innisfree. It's their Perfect 9 Intensive Eye Cream. I asked my dermat about this product if I can use it with retinol, and he told me that I can go ahead and use it. Now this I mainly use because I do a lot of eye makeup and all, and my eyes can become very sensitive and dry. This cream hydrates the skin on my eyes pretty well. I take a very little amount and start massaging it under my eyes and also on my eyelid. By the way, there's one more retinol which my dermat has given me. I'll tell you about it after we finish this routine. Okay, now after my eye cream, I use a moisturizer. Now there are different moisturizers which I use, guys. The one which my dermat recommended was this one. This is from Derma. It's their Soothing Repairing Cream. But I did find it a bit too light for my skin. I prefer using it during the day. So for night time, I'm using this tube of Bioderma Intensive Balm. It's a super thick moisturizer which also repairs the barrier of your skin. For my dry skin, this is like a gift from heaven because it has suited my skin so well, guys. I do get this issue of dry flakes and dry patches a lot, but since I started using this moisturizer, my skin is all good. Like, there's no dryness, dry flakes, dry patches whatsoever on my skin. With this moisturizer, a little goes a long way. This is the only product which I don't apply on my neck because when I'm sleeping and stuff, it feels really sticky on my neck. On my face, it is still okay, but on my neck, it just feels uncomfortable. The last and final step in my nighttime skincare routine is a lip balm. I have 2-3 different lip balms, guys. The one which I've used just now is from Clinique. Very good lip balm. Then I have Laneige. I have 2 lip balms from Laneige. One is their lip mask and another one is their lip treatment balm, which comes in like a very fancy packaging and stuff. I bought it for the packaging, honestly, but it works like a lip mask only. So these are the few lip balms which I love using. Whichever I see first, I pick up and I apply. This is my standard nighttime skincare routine. I wash my face, I apply an active, then I apply an eye cream, seal it off with moisturizer, put a lip balm and go to bed. Now I was going to tell you that there was one more retinol which my dermat had given me. It is again from Sesderma. It's their Ezilac RU Gel Cream. This is also a retinol. It says like it's depigmenting cream, but it's a retinol. And the difference between these two is that this cream has hyaluronic acid in it and this one does not have that. There are a few more differences when it comes to the formulation of these two products. So what my dermat told me was to use this one 4 times a week and this one like 3 times a week. So I have 2 different retinols for the week. Again, these are the 2 products which you should consider buying only after consulting a dermatologist. That's it, guys. This is all that I do in my nighttime skincare routine. There's nothing extra that I do. I have simplified, like I have really simplified my skincare routine. I don't believe in applying too many products in one go, like 7-step skincare routine, 10-step skincare routine. I just like to keep it simple. I also listen to my skin, you know, depending on how my skin is feeling, I change up things. I was also not using retinol every day for the longest time. I was telling you, right, that my skin has a journey of its own. So I started using it about 2 to 3 days a week and then gradually it progressed into applying it every single night. I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm gonna keep it short. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I just wanted you guys to have a certain idea of what kind of products I use, why I, you know, consult a dermat and how I go about my skincare stuff. Lastly, I want to give a small advice just as a friend. Don't completely rely on the internet when it comes to, you know, making your own skincare routine. Please find a good dermatologist. Trust me, the moment I started consulting a dermatologist, some great things happened with my skin and my skin is, touch wood, fine. It's all good in the hood. I have not experienced any major skin related issue as such. Even if I do get any issue, I go to my dermat, consult him and fix it up. So please find a good dermatologist. Don't blind buy items, especially when it comes to actives, guys. Like, don't play around with that stuff. That's it. That's all the gyan which I wanted to give you. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.